ready to move your XRP from cold storage on your ledger to your Coinbase account. Let's make it happen, safely and quickly. First, grab your Ledger device and connect it to your computer using the USB cable. Then, open Ledger Live and make sure it's updated to the latest version. This ensures compatibility and security. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and locate your XRP account. If you don't have one already, you'll need to add it. Make sure your Ledger device is unlocked and the XRP app is open on the device when you access the XRP account. Now, head over to your Coinbase account, either on their website or app. Find the receive or deposit option for XRP. This will generate your unique XRP deposit address and destination tag. Make sure XRP is chosen and not any other cryptocurrency. This is crucial. Double check your XRP deposit address and the destination tag on Coinbase. Copy both of these exactly as they appear. The destination tag is essential for Coinbase to properly credit your account. Missing or incorrect address and destination tag can result in permanent loss of funds. Return to Ledger Live and click the Send button within your XRP account. Paste the XRP address and destination tag you copied from Coinbase into the recipient fields. Carefully review all the details one last time. Your ledger will now display the transaction details. Use the buttons on your ledger to carefully verify that the address and amount are correct. This is your final chance to prevent errors. Approve the transaction on your Ledger device to sign it. Once approved, Ledger Live will show that the transaction has been sent and is pending. Now, back on Coinbase, you'll see the incoming XRP transaction marked as pending. It will take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed on the XRP ledger. Once confirmed, the XRP will be available in your Coinbase account. And that's it. You've successfully transferred XRP from your ledger to Coinbase. Remember to always double check addresses and be aware of security risks in the crypto world.